Well, we've been working on this thing for a bit. We haven't done a whole lot since the last time we've been back, but today's Wednesday, and this derby is not this weekend, but next weekend. So you guys think, oh, maybe you should hurry up and get some stuff done on it. No, we can't. Because there's actually a derby this weekend. So today's Wednesday, and this Saturday is a demolition derby that I can run this car at. I don't even know if it's going to start. It's been sitting here since October. So what do we need? I'm going to assume a boost and see if she'll start up. So let's go get our booster pack and see if she'll start up. So we got my booster pack on it. Okay, fuel pump's on in park. Will it start up? Oh, sounds like we started off. Don't sound exactly healthy there. Oh, that motor mount's broke too. Let's try that again. Start. Come on. There we go. What are you doing? Stop dying. Thought we want to be friends. How do you lose fingers? And stuff like that. Didn't know you were broken. Will you drive out? This is the problem I've been having, is that gas pedal. How do you reteach the gas pedal in these things? It's not doing nothing, Captain! So guys, I've spent all day out here working on this thing, and I'm not getting any power to the throttle body. I've pulled the throttle body apart, I've got it to actuate on a battery, I've pulled the gas pedal out of this. So there's the Honda gas pedal. I put a Civic gas pedal in doing the exact same thing. A lot of the parts from that Civic are now in this Accord. I've been working on it here for about 4 hours. I've cut it apart so I can open the throttle body manually. I'm not getting any power to the throttle position sensor, and I'm not sure what it's about. All my fuses are good. I cannot, for the life of me, find a diagram for the relays on this. It's probably something extremely stupid, and it is just driving me crazy trying to find it. Yeah, fuel pump's working, everything's working. It's just not doing what it's supposed to do. So I think I'm getting so upset with it, I think I'm just gonna tear this thing apart, because it's like, you little piece of junk. I've been out here for 4 hours working on you today, and I've done physically nothing to make you any better than what you were when I came out here. So yeah, I'm not overly pleased with this thing. It can go die. Go die. I think this is going to be a problem with these cars in the future. Is just the electronics with the, for example, this thing with the gas pedal. I didn't have good lucks with those ones. I broke the gas pedal, or actually, to be honest, it was doing the exact same thing as this. So, and that was a 2007, 2010 Honda Civic. This is the 2010 Honda Accord. So I'm not having luck with these newer Hondas. This motor mount is broken. The car does run and it wants to drive. It just will not drive. So what I think we're going to do is, I just looked up the rules and the event classes, and it turns out they actually don't even have full size at this event. So today was a complete waste of time, because this is a full size to this company's rules. They have full size, but it's youth full size. So now, screw this car. Screw you, I don't like you, go away. And that car was supposed to be for Gravenhurst, but I guess now it's going to be for Aurelia, because why the heck not? So let's go take a look at it. Oh, so this thing here was designed to go to an Edge Motorsports event. So I built this to run Edge. Well, now I'm going to be taking it to Impact. So it's way underbuilt for Impact. I'm allowed square tubing. Well, I'm allowed tubing with a skin over top of it for a bumper. Yeah, I don't have that. I'm allowed like massive plates to hold this on, but the problem is, if I do all those plates and this thing does survive, I can't run it the next weekend. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to lift up the front of this. We're going to pull the tires off that Honda Accord, put them on this, so then that way I have tires on the front of this thing. And I'm going to mount my fire extinguisher. And I think that's just about it for this thing. What a piss off. What a bloody piss off. That makes me so angry. Well, let's get jacking this thing up. I'm not overly pleased with this, but we got the loop line done. We got the tires on it. We got the ratchet strap around the seat. We got the fire extinguisher. It did not fit into there, so we just cut a little hole so that way it's visible and still good. And we got a battery charging, and we got a spare battery charging and stuff, blah blah blah. So let's this thing's pretty much done. As you guys can tell, I'm kind of at a loss right now. I was really hoping to take that Accord, but with it doing the stupid freaking stuff it's doing, I'm not going to be able to go with it. So by doing this, Accord was supposed to go to Aurelia, which was stock full size, but now that it can't run, this car was supposed to go to Gravenhurst, so I might not make it to Gravenhurst. Maybe I can steal Eddie's car, but then I feel like a dick stealing somebody else's car. Why are you giving me problems? Like, why did you just have to be a little bitch? Why couldn't you just do car things? So I guess we can, maybe I'll just rip this thing out and get it ready for scrap. I'm pissed off with it. This car here was just not nearly what I expected it to do. It didn't last very long in the full size at Brawl, but it was kind of my own fault. Got the AC all melted up, but I was kind of hoping to do so much more with it, but it just let me down. But what we have to do now is cut off the bumper, take the catalytics off, cut out almost all the wiring, take my cage out, my gas tank out, rear tires off, all that fun stuff. But this car here was kind of a giant waste of time, to be honest. Whole lot of car left, too, which is the shitty part. Lost all motivation because of you today. So, I'm just going to let you sit there. Wallow in your own pity. Piece of junk. But as of right now, we're pretty much ready for Aurelia. So, see you guys there. Well guys, we got her all loaded up. We got some gas ready. We got all the tires filled there. We got the dirt bike tires on the front of it. This is really not the car that I was hoping to take to this event, but this is the car I'm gonna have to, because the Honda Accord decided to be a little bitch. But we do have to buy some spray foam on the way home tonight, or to work, so then that way we can spray foam the fuse panel and the computer in so it doesn't flop around and fall in the gear selector. I'm going to be super underbuilt for this. This show here, we're actually allowed square tubing as long as it's covered with a skin. We're allowed to cut it up to the rad support. We're allowed 2 4x6 plates. But if I do any of that, then I can, and this car by some miracle survives, then I can't run it the next weekend. So what we're going to do is we're going to go underbuilt to this show, try and have some fun, stay alive, not completely wreck this thing, and then rebuild it for the show the next weekend. So that way, hopefully we can get both of these winter shows in. I did choose to go with a little bit taller tire, because then that way we're going to be out of the mud. Eddie's car's here. Maybe I should just say Eddie. Your rental fee is denied. Give him back his money and I run his car. Because technically it's my bumper, it's his tires, but I can throw my tires on there. I'd have to change that gas tank. I hate that gas tank. Yeah, maybe I should just do that. Deny Eddie's rental fee. But hopefully this thing goes good. We packed some seatbelts. We're going to tie up the trunk when we get there and the doors. This is very stock for the show it's going to. So we're just going to go have fun and try to stay out of trouble. So thanks for watching, guys. We got all the cars ready for this weekend. Well, not really. The Accord kind of bit the dust. What a pile of junk you are. I should have never stored you for as long as I did. But I thought you were good. You still ran. It's just the throttle body stopped doing throttle body activities. It's probably just some fuse or something I misplaced or did something with. But you know what? I ain't got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. So thanks for watching, guys. And we'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop.